Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome back to another video of Element Solutions. And this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your Brother printer with your mobile phone so that you can print it wirelessly. So all you have to do is that just go to like Play Store, and here all you have to do is that just go to the search option here, and you'll have to just search here like Brother Mobile Connect. And once you just choose it, like this is the application that you need to install. Just click on install. And this will take a while to install it. And now you can see that the application is properly installed. And now we'll be coming to the printer here, and now you can see that we have this like lot of buttons here, and we have like Wi-Fi button here. So you have to press it until you see a message like check PC/device. And now all we have to do is that we have to come back to the mobile phone here and just go to Wi-Fi here, and you just need to search for the printer wireless here. That is basically the setup DCP-T820, the model number basically coming up here. Just click on that, click on connect, and you can see that like it is now connected. And now we'll have to open the application here, like whatever we have downloaded. And we'll skip it. We'll accept the agreement and licenses. Next, allow, okay. And here it is showing that like when registering a machine that is already connected to a Wi-Fi or wide LAN, we have to register our machine. So we have already connected to the printer Wi-Fi, so we'll have to click on this, register your machine. And here we have the like print option here, like whatever we have connected here, and we'll just have to click on this and use this machine from your PC. Will exit the setup, and you can see that like the printer is ready to print. So for example, I would like to print a document for example, but first of all let me open this lead so that the page doesn't fall down. So let me just quickly find a document for you so that I can just print it something. If I just go to documents here, and this is a PDF that I'm going to print it now. And if I just go to three options here, or I'll have to click on this share button here, and we'll have to push it to the mobile application that we have installed. That is basically Mobile Connect here. Just click on this, and you can see that like it is coming here properly. So just go to the settings here. You can do a minimum amount of some of the configuration settings, as in like the paper size you can choose two-sided, whether you want like both the side to be printed. You want the color or mono, so I will go with the black and white, that is mono. And you can also choose the quality, and you can select the number of pages that you like to print here. And we'll just go back, and I'll click on print, and now this will take a while to print it. And you can see that we have successfully printed this page like wirelessly using a mobile phone. So this is how you can set up the mobile application for this printer guys, Brother DCP-T820DW. So that's what it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to like, subscribe. Until sorry, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.